Polled EVM strong room at counting center. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain the provisions regarding polled EVM VVPAT strong room, underline the steps to be followed for the sealing of polled EVM strong room, illustrate the facilities provided to candidates or their representatives near to polled EVM strong room. Polled EVM strong room. The designated strong rooms shall be set up in a secured place, preferably in the district headquarters, and in special cases, in subdivisional headquarters, where counting of votes is to be conducted. A strong room shall have only one entry and exit, with all other doors, windows sealed using brick masonry or the concrete. A strong room shall have a double lock system. All the keys of lock 1 shall be with the RO concerned, and all the keys of the lock 2 shall be with the ARO concerned. In case of parliamentary election, if counting center is established in a district other than the RO's headquarters, all the keys of lock 1 shall be kept with the respective ARO, and all the keys of lock 2 with officer duly nominated by the DO for each assembly segment. Main switch of these strong rooms should be installed outside the strong room, and electricity be disconnected after sealing of the strong rooms to avoid short circuiting. No external powered unit should be installed or kept inside the strong room. Arrangements should be made for fire and flood safety. Fire extinguishers shall be installed inside and outside the strong room. Adequate fire alarm system shall also be put in place. Uninterrupted power supply at the strong room locations during the entire period wherein EVM VVPATs are stored. Appropriate arrangements of generators should be made to ensure uninterrupted power supply in cases of any outages. A two-tier guarding system for the strong rooms. The innermost perimeter should be guarded by the CAPF, minimum 1 platoon, for 24/7. The outer perimeter by the State Armed Police Force. District Election Officer to give certificate to the CO regarding security arrangements. The observers shall also inspect and confirm that these instructions of the Commission have been complied with. Facilities to the candidates. Candidates can depute their representatives to keep a close watch on the security arrangements of these strong rooms. They will be allowed to stay outside the outermost perimeter in a rainproof tent erected officially for this purpose, which enables them to view the entry points of the strong room. Facilities such as proper shade, drinking water, toilets, etc. should be provided to them. If there is no direct view to the strong room, CCTV should be arranged at the location so that they can see the activities at the strong room door on CCTV monitors. In such a case, they may be taken periodically to the inner perimeter in batches to see, verify, and satisfy regarding strong room security. The phone numbers of the CO, additional COs, control room set up by the CO, DO, RO, and the DOSP concerned should be given to the candidates. Control room. One control room adjacent to the strong room locations should be operative round the clock. A gazetted officer along with a police officer should be put on duty round the clock for monitoring the security arrangements, including CCTV coverage. CCTV cameras with sufficient storage facility shall be installed. CCTV camera should cover sealed doors of the polled EVM strong room and election paper strong room, security and corridor, etc. A proper system to take backup of CCTV footage shall be ensured. Such video data shall be put in the custody of the DO. Videography shall be made at the time of the opening and closing of the polled EVM strong room and election paper strong room. Proper logbooks shall also be maintained. CO may also inspect the strong room after poll if counting is not immediately scheduled due to multi-phase elections. Protocol for reaching inner corridor. Proper logbook for each entry, exit and duty roster for security personnel shall be maintained by the CAPF. No vehicle, including that of any official or ministers or any political functionary, should be allowed inside the secured campus where the EVM and VVPAT and election papers are stored. Supervision by RO, DO and SP. Returning officer should visit the storage campus up to the inner perimeter only every day in the morning and evening and check the logbook and videography and send a report to the DO. Where the strong rooms are situated outside the district headquarters, DO should visit the same as frequently as possible and at least once in 3 to 4 days. DOs and SP shall be personally responsible for security of strong rooms within the district and meticulous implementation of the protocol. DOs shall submit a certificate in the prescribed format to the CO concerned on weekly basis. The CO concerned shall submit a consolidated certificate on the very next day of the receiving of weekly reports from the DOs to the Commission. The format of the certificate is shown on the screen. Sealing of strong room. The sealing of all types of strong room shall be done in the presence of respective general observer, returning officer, candidates and their election agents. In case general observer is assigned more than one assembly segment or assembly constituency and strong room locations are distributed in the district, senior most general observer, in consultation with the DO and the RO in advance, will decide which observer will remain present at the time of closure of which strong room. Senior most general observer may also nominate expenditure observer to represent any general observer for sealing of strong room in case of exigencies. In exceptional cases, senior micro observer may be selected from the list of micro observers deployed for poll day duty. They can be authorized by the senior most general observer to represent any general observer for sealing of strong room. Advance information should be given to the candidates or their election agents. Candidates or their election agents may depute an authorized representative having the written authority of the candidate, also carrying a photo ID card, and should be a voter within the concerned parliamentary constituency or assembly constituency for sealing work. In this educational video, we have learned about polled EVM strong room. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.